Alright, so here's me and my comrade Red, and I'm trying to explain him how surfing is just the same as rocket engines, in the sense that you're harnessing the powers of the universe. He has slight disagreements with me, but...
Not very slight, very slight.
Okay. That's about it. Let us catch some waves and enjoy the day, right? Alright, somebody's motivated. Red, what's your take on surfing? No, what's your take on surfing? What's your philosophy of surfing?
Snowboarding, with a less consistent hill and better speed.
Alright, fine. Jamie, what's your take on surfing? Give me your philosophy. Alright. Isn't it the most awesome workout ever? The least boring workout ever? Exactly, like every time there's a chance to get here, it's worth getting here. All right.
Oh, it's pretty cool. You caught it.
What a joy, huh? Catch a wave like that. Say something smart. Too tired.
I'm not thinking.
I don't have anything smart to say either. I'm sorry about that. I'll figure something out. So I got a box of blueberries. And the red there has got, how much did you get?
$11 worth of strawberries.
That's what, 5 pounds?
Yeah, something like that. There's a lot of strawberries.